Huge quantity of ganja seized in Manja. Good morning, viewers. Welcome to KAL Live. You're watching with your host Julie Baby, bringing you the latest news for this morning. Now the news and details. Making yet another notable success, the KAL police had on Sunday seized huge quantity of ganja at Manja. The seized ganja weighs a total of 21 kgs. In their effort towards making drugs-free Assam, the police department across the state is doing all means possible to curb out the illegal supply of intoxicating substances. On Sunday, June 20, the KAL police, based at Manja, seized huge amount of ganja or marijuana from a bus bearing registration number MN012092 coming from Manipur. The bus was stopped at Manja for frisking, and accordingly, the ganja was recovered from 2 bags. Two persons identified as 33 years old Akhilesh Kumar and 23-year-old Joy Prakash Kumar were arrested in this connection. Both of them hails from Bihar. News X report, KAL Live. Residents of Sarthe Rongpi village, located in Mula Langso area, falling under the Mahamaya constituency, have expressed their gratitude to EM Lun Singh Teron for construction of road upon their request. The road connecting Sarthe Rongpi village has been lying in dilapidated condition due to lack of repair, and the villagers have been tremendously affected, especially during rainy season when traveling is no less than nightmare. The deplorable condition of the road poses huge risks to people in need of urgent medical attention, and women and children being the most affected sections of the village. Following this, the BJP local board committee along with the villagers approached EM Lun Singh Teron for construction of the road to end their decades-long woes of communication. And as per their appeal, EM Teron along with his men visited the village on June 7 and promised the villagers to provide sand gravel road. As per his promise, work for sand gravel road is underway, bringing cheer and relief among the villagers. Ex-VDC Chairman Long Singh Tokbi, Dokmoka Municipal Board Chairman Biren Singh Teron, Mulajan Polling Station President Phibison Crow and others visited the village on Sunday to inspect the construction work of the road, during which the BJP local board committee along with the villagers convey their happiness and gratitude to EM Lun Singh Teron.
Si lailo ni liki ni jidam kang tungo bangke labang so Sarthe Rongpi rong atwar la so atwar ke non het pen liki sung kalilu pen nang anajak akiding por si kisung so atwar ke Congress a government ne do hot pen ESDC a government ne do hot pen tamila so atwar ke sung pik anlo rong asor ekdom an par ke sok ke imi le so atwar ke ne somjo si halas hut taklem kle Congress government hot nilita Congress long Ladakh ke PCC a president si kichudunu EM Bidar Singh Rongpi EM Chobom Hustami ni tumda pudunlo la satwar hengno pikti pu Congress government hot pudunlo hedi hengno pik lempi nangji pu apatai pudunlo sitame anu cheden de delo anu chivar de delo langklem pi pe delo sitame non BJP government bang jo ake hai Lun Singh Teron ake hai EM sar alangli Ladakh Sarthe Rongpi rong sorphan akang honakang jinsut happy pot nili che hok par pilo
15 nong Mahamaya Homosti MEC mate ake hai Lun Singh Teron anpars dame KAL PNRD department lapente tourism department in charge ake hai Lun Singh Teron alangli rarapan ke chakateng pen pini la Sarthe Rongpi rong labang so to work ke chela no barla por kisung pik pen pineng an ke pajok pon theke podong ke nilitum hin penteme nilitum BJP awoka sahin pentame alang lipan churu pajir lo suri kardom pajir lo athema lapuson atuwar ke no ko ani ningkani ingkoi suselo la bangso atuwar ke no munir tum ke dam ke do ke thak antala sung piklo lasi la bangso kisung pajok thek posi ili tuma iya maka hailun sing teron pan nili tum mohamaya rara in pen alang lipan churu pajir lo
ke dam tang hala yem sar lun sing teron nang kacicak alamateng pen bangso alamateng pen non alang likam na pa success pilo lamanela sar therong pirong arat akisung labangso kisung parpik mane barla hut ke chehilat un e aso ke chehilat un e long pen minang ji pu kadu ka ve la so to war nang kelang do nang cherap nang chetu dun dokmoka municipal board chairman teron sar la pen pu ex vdc chairman tok bisar an parta ke dak ni to malong penang an arat sa therong piarong arat atum dak penang ke cherap chetu dun lo la so teng pen si sar pan tami chuning rilo
Samsung Ink's report from Dongmukak for Karbi Anglong Live. And that is all we have with us for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.